Okay, in this example, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel the truck and replace it with another trucker and driver that is actually available and not already dispatched. This is very easy task. Once again, we're gonna add. We are canceling a truck that maybe was a no call no show, or maybe it was a mechanical problem and did not show up, or simply we're just replacing it with somebody else, and that somebody else in that other truck was not working, so it was somebody that was already off. Okay, in this case we're gonna use truck 618, which was actually a no call no show last night. It was replaced with 301 and it was already done, so we're not gonna touch that because or else we're gonna mess up with a ticket that's already completed. So I'm gonna give you guys a different example. So 618 did not show up last night. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and let's say, as an example, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a driver that was off. So let's go ahead and first cancel truck 618. We can see that this is from the Turnpike job 56576, is still from 11/17/2019. So let's go back into, and actually from here, you guys can still see that is yellow, so it's still, it was dispatched. So let's go into our operation and let's go into tickets. Okay, so here job number 56576. Oh, wait till the keyboard comes back on. 56576, and we're gonna go ahead and put 11/17/2019 and hit enter, and we can see that there's a bunch of people that have not put in their ticket, so we got to work on that. But anyways, here's truck 618. We're gonna click on that truck right here, and once again, this guy was a no call no show last night, so we're gonna be replacing him with somebody else. So the first step is we're gonna go ahead and cancel this truck. So once again, we're verifying the 618 and 618 on the driver. Click on the pencil for change of status, and we're gonna hit the drop down menu. Click on no show. Actually, this guy actually called out. So let's just say that the driver's sick. I mean, it's just it just sounds different when somebody that doesn't show, doesn't call, than when somebody calls out. In this case, I think the driver's wife had something. So driver had family emergency. Okay, and I think this was Francisco or Jose. I'll put Jose. And click save. It's going to ask you to confirm that action. In this case, yes. Okay, so once again, we can confirm everything here is correct. So we are putting a call out to call out driver on 618. We're gonna hit cancel here, but that actually saves it. We could see now that it is in pink. We're gonna go ahead and go back to our dispatch screen, and let's go back to 11/17, and that was last night. 56576, and let's just verify that truck, and there we could see that it's actually already in red. Okay, so that's the first step. We cancel that truck. Now we're gonna go ahead and add somebody else. Okay, so to add somebody, we're gonna go ahead and once again just make it clear that we're adding somebody who is not dispatched. So this person has not been dispatching the entire night. This is very different than replacing it with somebody who was dispatched to a different job, and we have to do something different with those. So once again, this person was not dispatched and is actually available. I'm gonna use myself as an example. So add ticket. We click on add ticket. You can add an individual unit or you can add a combo. In this case, we're doing a truck, so it's going to be individual. If you hit the drop down menu, you could do anything from truck, sweeper, skid steer, broom, mobilization. There's going to be some stuff that is combo, just don't worry about it. Any trainings that we might have forgotten to add or something like that, but in this case, we're just going to go ahead and do truck. Hit create and hit yes. Once you hit yes, it's actually going to create something just like this blank line that's here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that blank. Actually, if I look at 618, he was supposed to be on site at 22:15. So I'm going to click on that white line, which is just the ticket that I added. He was at job site. because I want that truck to start at the job site. 2215. I'm gonna hit tab, and it'll just let me scroll through it. I'm gonna go ahead and select the truck. So I hit the magnifying glass. I'm gonna use truck 999. That's just a test. I'm gonna select that truck, and I'm gonna go ahead and select the driver. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the magnifying glass here next to driver. I'm gonna go to name. I'm gonna choose myself, for example, and I'm right there. Okay, so I can confirm everything that's here. So according to the dispatch that I'm going to be sending this particular person, in this case myself, I have to this driver with this truck has to start on the job site at the time that I put there. Let's say that I don't want him starting at that time, and he called late. Let's say that he's going to be starting at 12 a.m. So I could put 0000. I hit tab, and it'll just make that disappear. It'll give me the clock in and everything. So once that's done, go ahead and hit save. Once you hit save, you're gonna see that it is gonna be down here. You see that it's already ready and set. Go ahead and click this little check mark here, okay, so that the girls can invoice it. Go in that ticket again, and you're gonna hit this little icon that looks like an envelope. Click it. It's gonna ask you if you want to send the mail. Just click yes, and that's how you send an individual email or a dispatch order to somebody. Once that is all completed, click cancel, and at this point you can just call and confirm with the driver that he received the dispatch. Okay, once again, we canceled out truck 618, and we added a truck replacing that truck, which was truck 999, and I'm the driver in this one, for example. And that's it.